Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video you can see the beautiful e-commerce site, single product page with lots of functionality. So friend, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And also this is the single product page, and after it I will come with more things. This is just a demo for the e-commerce site purpose. See the top nav, sidebar and the main content section. See, you can see the girl white dress, black skirt. Now the title, description, pricing and add to bag, wish list and footer as well. Now you can see the 4 color. Now I will change this one red. See, color change, title change and pricing as well change. You can see dress, title, description, pricing are changing. See guys, friends, after it I will come with more demos, and this is just I want to show you the simple things. So thank you. This is for today, and just stay tuned. More stuff is on the way. Thanks again.